Welcome to Streamerify Global. Today, we dive deep into the question, can technology save the oceans? With the oceans suffering from the impact of plastic pollution, innovative tech solutions are now emerging to combat this global crisis. From smart devices to AI-driven cleanup methods, let's explore how technology is making waves in ocean conservation. The world's oceans are facing a monumental problem: plastic pollution. Every year, an estimated 8 million metric tons of plastic waste ends up in the ocean. From microplastics to large plastic debris, this waste poses a serious threat to marine ecosystems. Plastic pollution is suffocating marine life, damaging coral reefs, and even entering our food chain through seafood. While the crisis is daunting, technology is offering new hope for the oceans. One of the most well-known innovations is the Ocean Cleanup Project. Using a passive drifting system, this project aims to capture and remove plastic from the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. It's designed to clean up 90% of floating ocean plastic by 2040. Another cutting-edge solution is Seabin, a floating device that captures microplastics, oil, and floating debris from mariners and harbors. Meanwhile, AI-powered drones and robots are being deployed to map and monitor polluted areas, ensuring targeted cleanups. Beyond cleanup efforts, tech is playing a crucial role in preventing plastic from reaching the oceans. Innovations like biodegradable plastics, circular economy models, and smart packaging are reducing plastic waste at its source. Companies are also turning to blockchain technology to track waste from production to disposal, ensuring accountability and better waste management. While plastic pollution remains a pressing challenge, these tech-driven innovations offer real hope for the future of our oceans. With the right combination of cleanup efforts, recycling breakthroughs, and waste prevention strategies, we can pave the way for a healthier, more sustainable planet. Thank you for watching Streamerify Global. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on tech, science, and sustainability.